Serviced here, originally bought here, potential factory remaining warranty of X months, X miles. See dealer for details. Fuel efficient 29 mpg highway/20 mpg city. Jaguar certified, very nice, Carfax 1 owner, low miles, 7,544. Cesium blue exterior and ebony/light oyster interior, S trim. Navigation, moonroof, heated seats, aluminum wheels, premium sound system, all-wheel drive. Discover the Luther Advantage. The Luther Advantage is a complete and comprehensive package of benefits designed to make buying and driving a vehicle from the Luther dealerships a pleasant and convenient experience. From the peace of mind that comes with a 5-day 500-mile return or exchange policy, 30-day 1,500 miles full warranty and 60-day 2,500 miles limited powertrain warranty and free Carfax reports and clean title guarantee on pre-owned vehicles, as well as providing Luther customers with full range of valuable discounts at participating holiday station stores including 10 cents off a gallon, $6 for the works car wash among other advantages and guarantees. As much as we like satisfying customers, we like keeping them even more. Shop with confidence, 6-year/100,000 mile premium limited, warranty, 165-point inspection and reconditioning, 24/7 roadside assistance, vehicle history report, no deductible, balance of original 4-year/50,000 mile warranty. Experts are saying, brake actuated torque vectoring helps keep a car turned and heading in the desired path of travel. The front end is very pointy, and the car moves freely and willingly. Edmunds.com. Check whether a vehicle is subject to open recalls for safety issues at safercar.gov.